Hello viewers, welcome to Bhadra IAS online. So here we have again come up with a video of Nagaland Civil Services where we are going to discuss about the Nagaland Public Service Commission videos, right topics, and the HBSc program that we have brought up for you, where you can contact us on this number and answer your queries about the course details, fees and other structure. So today we are going to discuss about an NPSC topic, that is a Nagaland Public Service Commission topic, that is asked in the examination, that is from the science syllabus, and the topic is alloys, right? So since alloys, we will see what are alloys and the questions asked in the previous years. So let's begin with this. So basically, if we see what are alloys, so alloy is basically a mixture of chemical elements. In most of the cases we are talking about metals, because we are using metals in different applications, so therefore metallic properties are very important for us. So here in the pure metals we mix some other metals, right? So other elements we mix it and we make it exhibit some different properties of those metals, right? So therefore those elements are known as alloys. These mixture of metals, the mixture of elements, are basically known as metallic alloys, because we are talking about basically metallic alloys. So here in the diagram also you can see that this is a pure metal, we can see where the pure metallic atoms are there and they are packed together and exhibiting a specific character or a specific property, but we want to enhance the character, like the the toughness of the material may be there, the flexibility of the material can be enhanced, right? So therefore the alloyed material, where the impurities means other metallic metals are also imbibed here in the atomic structure, and the structure now changes. Now this structure is distorted structure, and since this is distorted structure, so it may exhibit some different properties, or those properties which were earlier, it would be enhanced. Like if it was a tougher material, so it will become more tougher, right? So if it was a flexible material, so it will become more flexible, and also strong, also it can be more resilient also, right? So we can increase and enhance the properties and get new properties also from the specific materials, right? So these are basically known as alloys, where certain elements are added. So now if we see the example here, so certain examples we can see, where the very first example is very common, is steel, which is iron, which is made up of iron and carbon is infused in the iron, right? And it is used to make different aeroplane building materials, etc., right? Similarly, the more stronger, you have stainless steel, where along with iron and carbon you have chromium also. So if you add chromium also in there, it will become again more stronger. You can make utensils and machine parts, it can take heat up. Then you have brass, very commonly asked, that is copper and zinc. Brass is made up by mixing copper and zinc, right? Where it is used to again make aeroplane parts, utensils, medals and other things. Bronze is another material, where in copper you can add up tin, so where it can be used to make up utensils, right? So soldier is another alloy, which is in lead we add up tin, and then we can use it to join the electric wire. Soldering iron, you must have seen that, right? Duralium is another thing, that is aluminium, copper, manganese, magnesium and manganese, right? To make again aircraft parts, to have more stronger, this magnesium, aluminium and manganese, right? Magnesium. Then German silver, copper, nickel and zinc to make the aeroplane wings. So these are a few examples of alloys, and now we'll see what kind of questions are asked. So we can see here in 2024 NPSC previous year question, this was the question asked: brass is a mixture of which of the following pair of metals, right? So very simple question was asked. You can see here the options are again iron and copper, zinc and copper, lead and copper, zinc and lead, right? So just now we have seen the examples, you must be knowing it, and the right answer is zinc and copper. Just now we have seen the table and we can see that B is the right answer. Okay, so this was the discussion about the alloys and the previous year question that we have discussed. I hope that you have understood the topic, right? Similar topics related to examination will bring it to you. Be with us. Thank you so much.